So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I will be doing a reaction to the fake marriage prank. You see what King from King and Shay do and Shay? Listen to me, him need a Grammy for that. Him need a Grammy. Let me say him need a Grammy. Him need a Grammy. Guys, I'm not going to lie, and it's not because I am doing this reaction, but I've never seen someone go that extreme to do a prank. You know, I just did a previous reaction and I'm doing a second one, so nobody see me in the same clothes. You understand? Let me let it get clear. Anyway, we are talking about the prank that King do and Shay. So guys, sit back, relax. If you don't want to get in the popcorn, then get in the popcorn or whatever, because we are about to get into this prank. So let me watch it together and see what they go on and tell me what Uno would do. Jesus Christ, me feel mother drop down, but not lie.
Yeah, it's time for you inform for him. Yeah,
so this is where King mother is going to make the phone call. I'm gonna call Shay right now, so let's see what's gonna go on. Listen.
Let me take much credit for me.
Yep.
I start ready. I start ready. I don't need no one now. Ready? How want you to do it? Are you me want, Mr. me want to shake off yourself. Go ready? Who decide that? Come my yard. I will need come my yard. But first, me know that me don't like to know. We're going to feel it for me. Me can't believe. Me can't believe I need to really do something like that. Me can't believe. After I need to call me up a White House. Now when I need to call me up a White House, and I'm going to disrespect me. I have to cuss him out. He will hurt me, you know. Me can't believe I need to sit like that. Hurt me, you know. Pastor, they up here. Eddie up here. Eddie, I'm most of the really one when we really look on the Eddie should have stand by your side.
If you're a working mom like me.
Guys, the mother actually a ball, real crying. Well, you know a prank, so she actually a cry. You ever seen nothing like this before? No, people. The mother is hilarious, guys. She hilarious. Let's get into it, man.
Tell me, sir. Y'all in go buy all the ring. In next stick the ring, not even what they have on it different. Engagement ring out, the marriage ring out, everything I tell me, sir. When you come down to yesterday, somehow you are surprised. When you did all look for, now you are surprised. When you get all the past, everything. I come up here and marry different woman from the beach. He said, Shay, believe me, say, me tell us that my son that me have there. You never know, say, coming like, just like a Tony. The king say, Tony back sound gone, Tony pass him like a drunk. Tony supposed to be the we are done, then our ride. You know, if I take taxi, God no want to see your father. Where your father is? You can't take it no more. Married girl in I married Jesse on I'll marry Jesse. You see money with them send from foreign the only collect from me. No much money only collect from me.
Then people to order the woman they call Shay, you know. And me catch heart attack on spot. Because she does read it out, you know. She call all her name in there. They come like say every man who have the name there. Evilous. Well, not evilous, but while the name what she call is a perfect name. I want to get into it more, people.
The king said, Tony back sound gone, Tony pass him like a drunk. Tony supposed to be the panel we are done, then our ride. You know, if
Alarm. False alarm, guys. Eddie, look what they're saying, Eddie. Anyway, guys, please, guys. More on this to go.
All I need is a jacket suit up that sachet. Believe me, anything where you want to do, me no business. Anything on you with a...
Da da dee, da da do. Mommy say, anything I want to do him, you do him. Anything, me no business what you want to do him. Anything at all you want to do him, you do him. I like the mother, yeah. Me like her.
He's a little wicked. I guess that me no. Guess that way fast up at 2 take go marry on the beach though. No Andre.
One somebody when me know we have a 2 name them what them call. What she say a wicked the pastor.
There's some bad word. Let them remember to be a Christian.
We can't bother. So, mommy say, I tell him some bad word. I not remember say me a Christian.
I not remember say me a Christian no, because him I get me I wife sister.
Yeah.
No, what if this happens to all of them? Oh God, listen. King, I'm not gonna lie people, I'm not lie. I can't wait, even though me just start my YouTube channel, I can't wait to see King and Shay hit 1 million subscribers. Me can't wait to see that. Reason being, you see how them do them thing real. Me I watch King and Shay from them day up at the little house. And I tell her them deserve everything and them put in effort in a them prank. Them not fake it because enough YouTuber I sit down when I don't even spend time to watch them video again and Mr. YouTube. Me not watch them video no more. You understand? Because if you go deliver fake thing, it don't really make no sense because you can be creative so many ways. Sometimes me not have video certain things me not have to post. And me just get up and say, okay, me I go bust a cook. And me I go do something on video. People, if people rate you and respect you, they're gonna watch it. They're gonna view it. You understand? I could have put somebody with fast. Because some people them hate you, you know. But guess what? Them still going to come and watch your channel. Them maybe not gonna put no like, you know. But them are still come watch it. And them add values to it. Basic King and Shay. I tell us the King do some kind of prank and shit. Them go extreme. Them go extreme.
Alarm, guys. Hey, look what they're saying, Eddie.
Believe in them. I'm like say real shit. You understand? I will say real shit. The fuck say King go all time way. We get an audience. We get a pastor. Forget people to sit down in the audience, build up all the, what them call the things, so comment down below, remember what name? Where him use the palm tree or coconut tree for make, for them stand up underneath it. Listen to me, man. Listen. The man actually do a real friggin' fake wedding, you know? A real fake wedding. There is no way, unless somebody did tell Shay, say, Rotted Shay, come here now. Shay's in the building. Yeah, Shay come with our stone.
Upbrug, Sergeant! Upbrug! Upbrug!
Watch Eddie.
Sergeant! Upbrug, Sergeant! Upbrug! Like, share and subscribe.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Sasha, more than that, Sasha. Oh God. Yo, cover up with the shirt. Cover up. Make sure expose.
They might push it, you know. They might push it, lady in the red. She a customer, they say, you calling, you pick up the woman, whatever. And pastor, they throw a tantrum same way. And you know, aren't you? Let me get back into it. This is one of the greatest prank me ever see. I don't know about you. If you don't see nothing greater than this, only can tell me about it. I react to it. you know. But this are the greatest prank me ever see. And you know why I feel so proud? It's from a local YouTuber. When I say local YouTuber, I mean it's from a Jamaican. I am a Jamaican, so when I say local, that's what I mean. It's not from somebody in the US. And them go all out. Guys, I know it kind of noisy because I know them do it on the beach. But the moment when I see Shay cry, oh my God. O'Neal win, but guess what, Shay? It's a part of the world. You know, remember I don't live in a prank world, you know. Oh, Shay, but O'Neal, trust me. I mean, I have to give a team O'Neal for the one. They know me a team Shay, but you see for the one, yeah, I have to show a team king for the one, yeah. You understand? Me have to show a team king for the one, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Gooders. Guys, I want you to tell me in the description box below how you feel about this whole fake wedding thing. Bye, guys. I'm out.